Let us solve another problem of geometry. Here in this image, a triangle is given for which this length x is unknown. And after identifying this x, we're going to compare this value with 15. Now let us look back into the image. We have two of the angles known and the third one is missing. Since we know that the sum of three of the angles of a triangle is always 180 degree, we can find it by deducting 23 and 60 from 180 degree. Sorry, 67 degree. So in this problem, it's a right angle triangle. So this is what it actually looks like. Now we're going to apply the Pythagorean principle, and according to the Pythagorean principle, we know that this will be the formula. So we can easily find out the value of x. So since we have found x 13, which is less than 15, in this problem statement, quantity B will be greater than quantity A.